Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a birthday card. So I'm in the website at Zazzle.com and I'm going to choose a custom gift that I want to make, and it's going to be the greeting cards right here. I'm going to click on that. Now I'm going to choose the type of card I want. So I like this one, the standard one. I'm going to press create your own. And in this section, I'm just going to briefly check if this is the one I want. There's a front section, there's an inside section, and a back section. And then I'm going to click Add Image. Now, once I'm in this section, I'm going to have this blank canvas. And this is great to just look at while you're designing, because this is what's actually going to be on your design. So I'm going to put a white background because that's what I want. So I went to this background section right here, and then I'm going to add a text. So the text I'm going to use is going to be right there on the left top corner. I'm going to type happy birthday. So I think I want this font to be slightly bigger, so I'm going to just put 50, and you can make all the edits on the right side here, and you can change the alignment as well, but I'm just going to align it to the middle. So once I have that, I want to make another text, so I'm just going to go back to the left here, and I'm going to type in just a name, and I'm going to type in Sarah. And I'm going to make this the same size, so just to make sure it's 50. And I want to align this correctly. And what's great about Zazzle, they have these alignment lines that you can see just to help you align them better. Okay, I think that's great, but I do feel like something's missing, which is a picture, and I'm going to put on the top area. So I'm going to go back to my files. And these are actually my pictures that I have, and I uploaded them onto Zazzle. And then you can obviously upload it from your phone or your images from your computer. And I want to actually remind all the designers here also that these images that you see are actually licensed images that I can use by permission for sites like Zazzle and print-on-demand websites. I would not recommend at all to get just random images like Google or any other website images without permission. So I'll put a link below on where you can get these images, and it is a paid description as well. Alright, so I'm just going to use an image right here, and I'm just going to use this cupcake. And I'm just going to align it just to make it a little better. Alright, so and I want you to know that there's a picture on the right bottom corner where it shows you the postcard. So I'm gonna actually check it out for a bit, and you're gonna see that there's these 3 dots, and I'm gonna click on them just to make sure. See, there's nothing in the middle area when you open inside the card, and there's nothing in the back. But before we actually edit the other sections, I'm gonna click on the name. And I want to click on the name because I want the users to actually edit the name. So instead of having Sarah, they can put any other name they want. So again, I want you to click on it, and it's going to show you this section again where you edit the text, and then you're going to go to the bottom, and it's going to say make this a template object. So you're going to click on it, and it's going to say what kind of label do you want. I'm just going to put name. So I just want to make sure that it's already on there. It's a name. Alright, so now I want to actually edit the inside of the postcard. So I'm going to go to layers, and I'm going to go press inside top left. Alright, so again, look at the preview, and it's going to show you the picture of what section you are editing. And just to make this simple, I'm just going to put another picture, and it's going to be the same cupcake. Maybe I'll make this a tad bit smaller. I'm going to use the lines to correct it. Alright. That looks good. I'm gonna go to the inside section again on the bottom this time. So I'm gonna go to layers and I'm gonna go inside bottom. So there you go. And I'm just gonna put a text, and it could be anything you want, but I'm just gonna put to my best friend. Okay, this is just a random text that I put, and I'm gonna actually look at another layer right now and go to the back section. And then just for demonstration, I'm just gonna put the same cupcake again. All right, I have aligned it. Now, I recommend actually going to the preview section again, and I'm gonna see that on the front it says happy birthday with the picture that I have. That's a cupcake on the top, and on the bottom is my text. And I have another cupcake on the back section. So again, just to remind you to go to the different sections, go to layers, and then you can edit the different areas. All right, so once it's done, I'm just gonna press done on the right top corner. And as you can see, this is what the product's gonna look like. So to actually sell it, you're gonna press sell it. Okay, this is the section on where you're gonna actually fill out all the descriptions. In this section, I'm gonna put what kind of a card it is. So it's a birthday card, so I'm gonna press this one. And I'm just gonna write a brief description. In this section of the change options, I just leave that and I go to categories right here. And I'm gonna press occasions, because I think that's where you go. I press birthdays. I'm gonna press best friends. For a recipient, I just put anyone. Store category, I just leave that. Now for tags, I'm gonna fill this out and just for any relevant keywords that I should use. Once I filled out the tag section, I'm gonna go to additional information. I'm gonna press G, because it is G rated. But if there's anything a little bit more on the PG-13 side or rated R, I would definitely click on these. It's going to be public, make a product a template, yes, and I'm going to press yes for this. And then royalty, I just leave it at 5.0%, but you can change it to however you wish. Once it's done, I'm going to check this off and press post it. It's going to say congratulations, and now your product is live.